Welcome to my channel Facts Parliament. What if I told you there's a country where over 175 languages are spoken? People text more than anyone else in the world. It sounds pretty much unbelievable, but it's all true in the Philippines. So I'm going to be telling you nation known around the world, stunning beaches, fabulous lifestyle and many more. So stay tuned and let's get started. Fact number 1. The entire landmass of the Philippines is made up island. Yes, it's true. The entire landmass of the Philippines is made up islands, making it the second largest archipelago in the world.
In fact, the Philippines has approximately 7,500 islands, with only 2,000 of them inhabited, and nearly 5,000 still unnamed on global maps.
Fact number 2. They speak in 175 languages. There are about 175 languages spoken in the Philippines, with 171 of them considered living, while 4 travel dialects have no known living speaker. The country official languages is Filipino, based on Tagalog and English, with Cebuano and Ilocano also popular in the same region.
But when Filipinos interact with tourists and foreigners, it's easy for them to speak English, since it's the 5th largest English-speaking nation, behind the US, India, Pakistan and the UK.
Fact number 3. Philippines produces and exports more coconut than any other country in the world.
The Philippines is one of the world's largest producer of coconuts. Mangosteens, papaya and bananas can also be found there.
Fact number 4. Filipinos are the number 1 texting nation in the world. Filipinos are very social, spending as much time as possible with family and friends. But they also stay in touch these days by exchanging a whole lot of text messages. In fact, it's estimated that Filipinos sends about 400 million text messages every single day, adding up to about 142 billion texts per year, earning them the designation the texting capital of the world. Fact number 5. They have churches in their shopping mall. Filipinos love their shopping mall. In fact, they serve as community hubs since they are clean, safe and most importantly, air-conditioned.
Aside from the usual stores, they also have countless food venues, gyms, grocery stores, banks, health clinics, nightclubs, parks, concert amphitheaters and even churches inside their malls.
In fact, the Philippines is home to 3 of the 10 largest shopping malls in the world. The mega shopping mall of SM Mega Mall, 3rd largest in the world, encompassing 54,51,220 square feet. SM City North EDSA, 4th largest, and the SM of Asia, 10 largest. Fact number 6. The Filipinos flag shows war or peace. The Filipinos flag is the only one in the world which can determine whether the country is at peace or at war, depending on how it is flown.
It has a white triangle with a sun surrounded by 3 island groups, Luzon in the north, the Visayas in the center and Mindanao in the south. It also has a strip of red and blue.
When the country is at peace, the flag is flown with blue on top. When at war, it reverses with red on top. Fact number 7. Philippines is one of the happiest countries in the world. Philippines are warm, happy and have a great sense of humor. In fact, the Philippines is one of the happiest countries in the world. Filipinos also have an appropriate sense of humor, as joking, light-hearted banter and even singing makes every day in their presence of true blessing.
No matter the reason, life in the Philippines is all about smiling, laughing and enjoying every moment with those around you. These are just a small portion of incredible facts about the Philippines, which I find one of the most remarkable countries on earth.
Fact number 8. Politeness is an art form in the Philippines. Most foreigners will be referred to as sir and ma'am, no matter their age. You will see younger people refer to the women and men a little bit older as aides and kuyas, sort of like older sister or brother respectively.
Elderly, disabled and pregnant women even have their own line at banks, restaurants and taxi queues, allowing them to bypass the crowd.
Filipinos respect and cherish their elders, and that shows in many ways in everyday's life. For instance, senior are addressed as po, after please, thank you and other exchanges, with the younger person taking the elder's hand and touching to their forehead in a charming display of reverence called mano. Fact number 9. Philippines is the top supplier of nurses in the world. About 11% of population of the Philippines, more than 11 million people work overseas. In fact, the Philippines is the top supplier of the nurses in the world, with about 25% of all overseas nurses coming from the country. In the United States, Filipinos are the 2nd largest Asian American group behind only Chinese. Fact number 10. They believe 13 is an unlucky number. A great number of Filipinos think that the number 13 is a bad omen. As a result, they believe that 13 people should not sit at a table and the main entrance of a house should not fall on a number that is divisible by 3.
They also believe that it's bad to travel on Holy Thursday or Good Friday, as this increases likelihood of accidents. It's one of the most unusual fact about Filipinos, but many still believe this.
So that is all for today. If you like this video, share your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to stay on the Facts Parliament. See you on the next video.